Okay, good morning. It's day 5 and we are in Oklahoma. Guymon, Oklahoma. I'm really tired.
Day 4, that night.
Okay, here I am at the Hampton. I was waiting for my support truck, but my support truck and the rest of my team is the Best Western, and I'm really bummed because this is maintenance day, and I'm losing my primo spot right here. This tornado watch. Taggart's, though, gave me a thing to do an oil change. Look, I got a low gas light. I gotta get... And with the tornado watch, look, it's already windy as hell. Look at Johnny Powell's hair. And so I gotta do my oil change, and then I gotta figure out if I'm trying to do a belt change or...
Turn left,
or
then turn
my
right onto
variator
Northeast 6th Street.
with a tornado coming. And then I asked Brooke, God bless him, he's at the Holiday Inn, and I told Brooke, because he writes the same thing as me, I was like, are you doing a belt change? And he goes, no. He goes, but I am going to put in different rollers because he wants more oomph. And he goes, well, once I'm in there, I'm going to look at it. And I just asked him to text me if he changes his belt because he's been riding a Watt the whole time like me, and I want to
In half a mile, the destination is on your right, Phillips 66.
Where is it? Further. I want to know if he has to change his belt. I would like to know because then I probably have to change mine. So I asked him to text me. But I'm also like, I got to open all this stuff up with the tornado coming. Craziness. And so he's at the Holiday Inn. Oh Lord, I got to go to my tools. I got to do this work at the Best Western. But first I got to get gas. Wait, now my gas light's not on? All right, let me do that after then. And my gas light's not on. How many miles have I done? 197? No, that's not right. What? I'm so confused. What? Okay, I'm just gonna get gas because I'm a little bit fried. So the lady at the hotel, she was like getting off her shift, and I go, oh, excuse me. She was outside. I was like, can you tell me any tornado updates? She's like, we're in a tornado watch right now. It's probably gonna get windy and probably some rain. She's like, we're not in a tornado warning. If we're in a tornado warning, then you need to get inside right away. I go, do you have a basement? She's like, no, but we have a media center and we'll put you in there. I go, how many people it fit? Oh, it's a tied up pole. That don't work. There's all this. Thank you, iPhone. We're going to that other one. That's all out of service. I go, how many people does it fit? The media center. She's like 180 or so. And I go, okay. I go, how many scooters does it fit? She starts laughing. And then she goes, don't you have insurance? And I go, yeah, but I need it for the next 4 days. And then Vesperado walks up and I'm all, Vesperado, you've been doing great, I hear. He's like, oh, yeah, but he went down in the dirt yesterday. He got a Charlie horse right here in his left thigh, outer thigh, and he, the bike's okay. Of course, it got scratched up or whatever. Clown around. Pit crew to tornado watch until 10 p.m. Great. We're all worried about that because our whole thing will be over. So anyways, she said if it turns into warning is when it's trouble. So I told Vesperado, I go, if it's tornado warning, I'm going to push my bike into that media center. And then if there's too many people and we have to take bikes out, I go, Vesperado, we're going to push yours out. Because he's a rookie. I'm having too good a year, you guys. I'm having too good a year. So here we are in Guymon, Oklahoma with the tornado watch. And GotMojo just said, because I go, give me tornado intel. I have to do maintenance. He says, it's tornado watch until 10 p.m. This thing's going to blow away. Please don't blow away.
Okay, good morning. It's day 5. It was tornado watch yesterday. I'm up. I'm taking a moment to sit and have my breakfast, which is a kind bar. And this bad boy. So we were trying to figure out the weather. Yesterday, the tornado was 20 miles from us. We were all concerned about this. I was really happy because I was like doing my oil change, and thank you, Peak 520, for helping me with your tools because my support truck wasn't here yet. And Barry for double checking that I got my oil filter tightened on tight enough. It was helping Val do something. I think it was our air filter. So I was trying to figure out all this nonsense about when to leave. Also, I was worried about the tornado blowing my bike over. Crazy Carl's like, if you have a side stand, now's the time to put your bike on it. I was like, I don't have a side stand. But I parked between Eric's big bus, his short bus, and Donna, who support truck for Candy. I parked in between there, and I was like, this is VIP tornado parking, because it might keep my bike up and not blow away. And I'm doing really well with the scores, so I was like, I can't have my bike get damaged. Then later on, Eric was like, I think there's room if you want to just pull in your bike into our room. And I was like, I'll do it. We put it in there. We put the towels down. We put it in there. Cool, right? I've got everything done. Bike is now extra VIP tornado parking. And then I got over here to go to sleep. Oh, because I'm in the hotel next door. I come here and I'm getting ready for bed. And I look at the weather and it's just poo-poo rain, like real bad, like right when we want to leave, like 4, 5, 6, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, oh God. And then I see this window at 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., like 15% rain, like a little bit. I was like, I probably got to get up like then to leave. So get out of this, right? Just get out of here. It's like 9 now, and maybe a little after 9. I call GotMojo and he's like, no, let me check some weather. I go, I'm texting them to see if they're awake, because if they're not awake and I can't get my bike out, I'm not going to wake them up. They gave me a hotel key. I go, but there's no way I'm going to go in there and wake them up sleeping next to my bike. So then I'm talking to GotMojo and he's just like, I don't know, I think it's a bad idea. You're really, really tired, and for you to leave in the dark, really dark, middle of the night, and it's like country roads and stuff. He's like, I don't like it. I go, oh, they are awake. I go, I'm gonna go get my bike out. And he's like, I'm gonna check the weather and I'll text you some ideas. So I go over there and I get my bike out. Then I find out they're gonna leave. They're gonna get up at 2:30 and leave at 3, because they just want to get out of this nonsense. So I'm like, okay, if I can, I might join you. And I talked to Barry and Tiny and Val, and they're like, hey Pam. And now I'm really getting run down because I'm feeling really tired. And they're like, people are like, you don't look so good. I was just really tired. I go, they're leaving at 3 a.m. I go, I might join them. They're like, you're going to leave at 3? I go, if I had to start walking back to the hotel, I'm like, if I can get up. So anyways, the alarm went off at 2:30, whatever. And I was just like so tired. And I quickly look at the weather. I look at the weather and I go, oh, it looks like it's going to be good at like this time, which is like, it's like before 5. What time is it? 4:57. Come on, Garmin. Come on, Garmin. What are you doing? What is going on? Please, no. Operation destination away from tornado and rain. What is happening? Come on, Garmin. What's going on with you? Okay, there you go.
Day 5, part 1.
Here we go. I got my rain gear on because it's dry now. Oh. Got my rain gear on because it's supposed to be raining today. It's not raining now. I'm thrilled. But it's Oklahoma tornado watch. And we're going to Miami, Oklahoma. All right, my rain jacket feels a little bit hot right now, but I'm just going to sweat because if we get caught in a downpour, I'm going to suss it out once the daylight happens. In the dark, I'm going to wear my high vis. Got rain booties on. I decided to go with these instead of my thicky gloves because it'll just be easier to, I feel like it's kind of hot out and I can, in fact, what is it? Can't look at that thing. Oh, 69 it says, so. Cannonball! 2023 day 5, Guymon, Oklahoma to Miami, Oklahoma. It's going to be a long day. It's a long day because we're in a tornado watch. I'm GoPam. I'm not used to a tornado. I don't know. I don't do tornadoes. How can I put this? I got to put this on my person, in my fanny pack, around my belly. I need this for my oil change. Okay. Maybe I do need to keep that 1-gallon Rotopax just in case the tornado blasts me away somewhere and then I need the extra gas. Feeling the wind. It's probably a little dumb that I don't have my gear on. I was overheated. I was expecting to do maintenance in the parking lot. And guess what? I have to go to a different parking lot. I got this metal thing in my belly. Hail! Get an oil change in. Get done with this before everything starts blowing around. I'm dripping with sweat out here. Nora Beth gave me a pizza. Pizza's so nice, saved my life. Can't do an oil change here even though I want to. Let me see if there's any shade over here. Oh good, Eek 520's here. And there is shade, and here's Val. Hi Val! Alright, wish me luck. We had rain and thunder last night and wind. I gotta get out, look, it's dry and I can do my good thing here. It's dark, but where's the turn? Is that it? Mother, was that it? That was it. Me, I missed it. I gotta turn around. I missed it. It's right there. I gotta turn around. Can't be doing stupid ass. I'm already mad. When can I turn around? Here? What is this? Is that a road? I missed it, guys. It's dark. It's morning time. Shouldn't have been going too fast. Okay, we're gonna do it. Please be an open hole to turn. Oh, that was some luck. Ooh. That was some luck and a half right there. Because that's it. Okay, good. Somebody was just yelling. I don't know what that was. I probably because I was coming through. I don't know. And I think all those guys followed me, and I probably have to turn around now because I'm me. Don't ever trust GoPam. Don't ever follow GoPam. GoPam makes mistakes, guys. Don't you know that? Haven't you watched my videos? It's 4.8. Not. I keep looking at a road. I know I have a turn. And look, I'm looking to go left, and it's right. So I got a little bit of Cannonball brain. I was up late because I was worried about the damn tornadoes. 3.2. And yeah, so I was like, oh no. And I got up. I had to get out of bed. Ah! What? Did I miss it? What happened? That ain't it. I was going too fast. I'm in gravel. Okay, holy bam. That's the road going that way. I don't know if it goes through there, so we're going to do this. I got my heart. I got my heart. Okay, that's what those signs... I got confused that there was no turn. But this is the road, and it turns. That's what all those signs are. Okay, good morning. Good morning. I realized that there's turns in the roads before my turn. I thought I was just going straight. I'm glad that even though it was gravel, I'm glad that was actually an effing road. I was going straight up the road, and that was like a ditch. Whew. I didn't even realize what was happening until it was happening. Today is probably going to be a multi-caffeine day. Everybody gets tired. I think I'm going to do better once the sun's awake. I was worried about the tornadoes, guys. I'm from Los Angeles. I don't deal with tornadoes, so I was like, I got to get out of here. It's kind of why I made that morning video and say how I love everybody.
Love you guys. Love everybody. Much love. And wish me luck.
Because in case some tornado come get me today. I should have said I love you, Sarah. I said I love everybody. I do. I love everybody. Tell people you love them when you can, you know? Because you don't always get the chance. Let them know when they're here alive. Let them know. I would tell everybody I love them. Some people need to hear it more than others, you know? I'm a little nauseous, like my stomach punched up to my heart on that mishap. Let's just call it a dumb clown brain thing. My brain was like, I'm not turning. I saw that was a turn. I was like, I'm going straight. I'm on the straight line. See the straight line? I was like, I'm on the straight line until my turn. And then all of a sudden I was like, that ain't my turn. But roads turn. Good morning. Whoops. Woo. And it's really easy to watch videos at home and go, what are you doing? That's so easy. But Scooter Campbell is a whole different animal. You get tired, we're up early, you're worried about a tornado, crazy rain and wind, you know? I cannot tell you how happy I am with this dryness right now. My brain is not working right just yet. I have to wake up better. Every Cannonball I do this, a little clown brain. I see a crossroads, and I go, that's my turn. But it's not. Ah! That was a big word. It missed me. It's getting lighter. Ooh! Getting lighter and brighter. That's nice. I like that, because that's a whole lot of nothing if you went straight. A whole lot of nothing. There we go. Of course, speed up. Those are potholes. The alligators are going to come out of there. I don't think they have alligators in Oklahoma unless a hurricane from Florida threw them over and it caught a tornado and threw them in there. I think Barry and them are probably leaving right about now. Barry and Mary and Val, main crew. Bonus photo too. So oh, it might be a gas station. That's even better. What is hitting me? I might be far enough away, but it's Oklahoma, the tornado time, who knows what the hell. Sky looks good. That's why GotMojo didn't want me riding at 1 in the morning or 3 in the morning. Like, he's like, you're tired and it's really dark. And look at that, I did go off the road. You were right, GotMojo. I try to listen to others, and somehow I thought, I can do it. I'll drink 2 nitros if I have to. I'll power through it. Because I'm not afraid to ride in the dark. But he's right. It's a day 5. We've already ridden half of this thing, and you get tired. There it is. Too fast. We're doing this. It's on the right. Is this the BP? High punch energy gas. This is Aussies. This is Aussies, not High Plains energy gas. Let's take this off. Get off of me. The Velcro stuck everywhere. Gotta open these up to get the damn thing off. Oh my god! What is happening? I can't get this off. There we go. Get in there. Oh wait, I'm doing gas. That's why it's doing that. This thing is all the way down my bat ass. Okay. Regular unleaded. I don't understand none of this. No ethanol. That. Ethanol. Oop. It did turn off. That means it's not charging. What's wrong with this? What's wrong with it? Oh no. Because I told it not to turn off. It's not charging. I can't tell how it's charging. Let me just put it on again.
Device connected.
Cancel. Okay, it was charging. Okay, great. BP2 and Fuel 1. I'm very confused. It says Aussies. Isn't this the... Let's see if they start taking pictures. Yeah, everybody's looking for it. Is this it? J5 has the picture reference. BP2. Photo. It's got 4 pillars. I think this is it. But it's called something else. I get that sign too.
And I still can't get this damn phone on, clown.
Mother. There it is.
And I still can't get this damn phone on, clown.